Hey guys, it's CJ here of YugaTech, and e-ink tablets have come a long way from being simple readers. And the Bigme B1051C Pro is a great example of that evolution. It's a 10.3-inch color e-ink tablet that runs on Android, aimed at readers, writers, and the like who want a more eye-friendly, distraction-free workplace. But for a price of around 42,000 pesos, is it worth it? We're about to find out here in this review. First impressions, it feels premium. The Bigme tablet has a clean, professional design with a matte gray aluminum finish and a flat front display that's flush with the bezels. It's slim, light at around 450 grams, and comfortable to hold for long sessions, whether you're reading or writing. You'll find a USB-C port, a fingerprint sensor on the power button, dual microphones, and even the 5-megapixel rear camera. Shockingly, there's no volume buttons here on the tablet. And in order for you to adjust the volume, you need to fix it through the settings itself. So let me just show that to you. One moment. You can see you have to scroll down here and scroll lower to find this. So this is the only way that you can increase the volume and decrease it. There's no buttons besides the power button here. So that's odd in my take. The stylus attaches magnetically to the side of the tablet and feels sturdy in the hand. This is the power button. It goes right up top. Did it snap? There you go. With support for pressure sensitivity and tilt, it's great for both handwriting and casual sketching. It's not quite Wacom level, but it's good enough for productivity tasks and creative workflows. The 10.3-inch Kaleido 3 display is the main attraction on this tablet. This is a color e-ink panel, meaning it shows 4096 colors, which is not as vivid as an LCD or OLED, obviously. But it's enough to make graphs, charts, annotations, and comic books pop. And of course, since it's e-ink, it's incredibly easy on the eyes with zero glare, even in sunlight. You can adjust the front light's brightness and warmth, making it ideal for late-night reading too. Writing on the screen feels smooth with surprisingly low latency for e-ink. The bundled stylus performs well, and the built-in Notes app is packed with features. Layers, templates, handwriting recognition, and even audio sync for lectures or meetings. It was nice to catch up on my novels with the Bigme tablet actually. I was able to be engrossed in the world that I was reading in, finishing a few of my books on my to-read list during my time with the device. Now for cameras. Listen, even with a normal tablet, cameras aren't usually their best strong suit. This especially goes to the Bigme tablet, which uses a 5-megapixel camera and no front camera. You can see from our sample shots that the quality isn't the best at all, as it appears to be better used for scanning documents. Even then though, you might struggle making out the words based on the brightness of the environment you're in. Still, even if shots don't have the best quality, they do give off vintage-like results that users may find aesthetic. But that's for you to decide. Surprisingly enough, the Bigme tablet runs on Android 14 and comes with full Google Play Store support. That means you can download Kindle, OneNote, Evernote, Drive, or even YouTube. Although you wouldn't want to watch videos on this screen. Multitasking is supported with split screen, and there's even an app launcher optimized for e-ink with refresh settings that let you balance clarity and response time depending on what you're doing. Performance-wise though, well, you're looking at an octa-core processor with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. A quick check in dev check states that it runs on a MediaTek Dimensity 1080 chip, which is almost a 3-year-old processor. As you can expect, it's not suited for gaming at all. It's more than enough for note-taking, PDFs, cloud storage, and light app use though. It's capable of handling productivity and reading apps without too much stutter. The Bigme tablet runs on a 3700 mAh battery. Battery life depends a lot on how you use it. With minimal lighting and casual use, it can last close to a week. Heavier workloads, especially with Wi-Fi, cloud sync, and brighter lighting, will bring that down to 3 to 4 days, but it's still miles better than any traditional tablet. Charging happens via USB Type-C, and you can even connect external drives or keyboards thanks to the OTG support. As for charging time, however, it does take up some time, being able to charge to full after 2.5 hours have passed. Nonetheless, you also get wireless features like dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cloud integration for services like Dropbox and Google Drive. We did find a mirroring function for Windows in this tablet if you want to project your notes or documents during a meeting or class, but we couldn't figure out how it actually worked. So, can't really confirm. The Bigme tablet sits in a very specific niche. It's not trying to replace your iPad or your Kindle, but it offers something unique, a proper balance between digital productivity and a comfortable, focused reading and writing experience. The addition of Color e-ink makes it more versatile, while full Android access opens the door to serious customization and third-party apps. The official Bigme tablet goes for $729 in the official Bigme store. There's also a listing in Shopee for the tablet priced at 42,375 pesos, which is still a hefty price. Yes, it's expensive, and no, it won't suit everyone. But for researchers, students, writers, and professionals who spend hours reading and annotating and who want to reduce eye strain while staying organized, it's an option. Honestly, in my opinion, it's quite a hefty price, especially when there are tablets like the Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro. That's priced at almost 28K and can provide better features. If you want to go for an e-reader though, the Amazon Kindle ranges from 7.6K to around 19.5K in Shopee, which is less than half of the Bigme's cost. Either way, the Bigme tablet isn't for me, I suppose. But hey, what do you guys think of the Bigme tablet? Let us know in the comment section below. If you find this content helpful and informative, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel, hit that bell icon to get notified of our future uploads. Check us out on our socials and check out yourgoodtech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been CJ, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye! See you later!